Hey guys, welcome back. New day, new video. So in this video, I'm going to talk about what is RAG, Retrieval-Augmented Generation, and why it is so important for large language model, how it can help large language models for less hallucinate. And after that, I'm going to give you a live demo, how you can make your first RAG app without writing single line of code in N10 using SambaNova hosted models. So without wasting a single second, it's time to jump in and let's see this live. Today I will explain what RAG is, Retrieval Augmented Generation, using this simple diagram. RAG is a technique that combines retrieval of knowledge with a generation by a large language model, LLM, to give better answers. Here how it works step by step. First we take the document and convert them into vectors using an embedding model. These vectors are stored into vector database. When a user asks questions, the query is also converted into vector. The system search for similar document in the database. The most relevant document are retrieved. This document plus the query are sent to the LLM. Finally, the LLM generates a much more accurate response using both its knowledge and the retrieved content. So in short, RAG reduces hallucination and make AI output smarter and more trustworthy. And stay tuned because I will also show you how to build a simple RAG app over PDF files in N10 powered by SambaNova hosted models. So here how the workflow step by step. First we add a form where the user can upload their PDF file. The file goes through a data loader which extracts the text. That text is converted into embedding using the SambaNova hosted Mistral E5 model. The embeddings are then stored into vector database inside N10. When a user sends a chat query, the query is also turned into embeddings. The system searches the stored vectors and find the most relevant parts of the PDF. The results are combined with the user's questions and sent to the SambaNova Llama-4 Maverick model. Finally, the model generates a clear, accurate answer enriched with the knowledge from the PDF. So to wrap up, with N10 automation and SambaNova's hosted AI models, you can now chat with your PDFs in real time. In this video, we also explore what RAG is and walk through building your very first pipeline. I hope this helps you get started, and don't forget to keep experimenting and building amazing AI workflows. And if you need any help, please reach out to me. I'm always happy to help you. Thank you so much for watching this video.